My heart can sing when I pause to remember a heartache here is but a stepping stone along a trail that's winding always upward. This troubled world is not my final home, but until then, my heart will go on singing. Until then, with joy, I'll carry on until the day my eyes behold the city. Until the day God calls me home. The things of earth will dim and lose their value if we recall they're borrowed for a while. And things of earth that cause the heart to tremble, remember that will only bring a smile. But until then, my heart will go on singing. Until then, with joy, I'll carry on until the day my eyes behold the city. Until the day God calls me home. This weary world, with all its toil and struggle, may take its toll of misery and strife. But Christ will come to take us home to heaven and be with Him for all eternity. Yes, but until then, my heart will go on singing. Until then, with joy, I'll carry on until the day my eyes behold the city. Until the day God calls me home. Until the day God calls me home. Pag si Rene Batermonia ay naka 3 points o naka-dunk, agad niyang tinataas yung kanyang kamay, pointing towards heaven.
And I need a way to study. Discuss the event with group study.
That could be the one he is pointing is the city that I am mentioning in this song that is heartily dedicated not only to Rene Baterbonia but to all the Filipinos that have been inspired by the goodness of the Lord in the life of Rene Baterbunya. And also to our Nigerian neighbors, the origin of Divine Adili, yung basketball player na napakalaki, 6'10" siya, pero sinagip siya ni Rene Baterbunya dahil magaling na swimmer si Rene Baterbunya at ang laki ni itong mga black, napansin mo, wala ka makikita mga black people na nasa Olympic swimming dahil hindi sila magaling dyan. Magaling sila sa athletics. 100-meter dash. Alala mo si Bolt, yung Jamaican? Black yun. Halos lahat sa kanila ay nasa basketball, wala sa swimming. Dahil hindi ko ma-explain yan kung bakit. Pero hindi sila magaling underwater. Si Rene Baterbunya ay magaling na swimmer. He is a good swimmer. As told by Robelin Baterbunya, yung nanay ni Rene. At alam ko yan. Dahil matubig talaga yung Agusan del Sur. Alam ko yan. Dahil dyan ako ipinanganak din. At ipinanganak ako dyan na doon sa Wawa River, pagbanggitin, misteryoso yung river na yan doon sa amin sa Esperanza. Nung ipinanganak ako dyan, 68 years ago, hanggang dito ang tubig. Ganyan ang Agusan del Sur. Kaya magagaling na swimmer. Yung nanay ko, pag when we are all inundated with floods, they are swimming under the water para mag-harvest ng kamuti. Ganon kagaling ang mga taga Mindanaoan sa swimming. Kaya nga, tingin ko dyan, nung nagkaroon ng struggle, kaya nagkaroon ng mga pasa si Rene Baterbunya. Respetuhin na natin yung findings ng Aurora Police at the moment because we need to have a corroborative evidence for that. The NBI now is working on it. The CIDG is working on it. Kaya nga siya, kailangan natin corroborative para talagang yung ebidensya ay foolproof. Hintay-hintay lang tayo at hindi mawawala anumang bagay ang mangyari sa atin. Intensity 10 sa social media para kay Rene Baterbunya at Divine Adili. Intensity 7.8 sa Mindanao. Pero sa lahat ng ito, may plano pa rin ang Panginoong Jesucristo sa ating buhay. And God is good and He is good forever.